Hi guys, welcome back to the R44 channel, and today we've got an M2 Comp going on the ramp for a Milltek equal length OPF back system. So quite a mouthful. What it is just after the OPF, so all European cars have like OPF sensors or kind of silencers. What this system does is removes everything from that back, which enhances the sound of the car, as well as gives you the kind of look of getting rid of that big udder that's underneath the car, which everybody hates. So to walk you through quickly what's in the box, you've got some pipe work that removes kind of the silencer that's after the OPF. Got a load of bracketry, you've got a new stress bracket there that's actually wider, allowing the actual diameter of this piping is a lot bigger than the stock, which is great. So to kind of increase that flow. So it comes through, you keep the valve system, so you use the OE valves, which is great. I think you've got the Y cable in there for everything, which is cool. So keep the OE valves, comes through a very small kind of back box, which is really cool. And what the design is good, because when the valves are open, the air obviously flows, the exhaust kind of fumes flow out, and it's more like a straight pipe, as well as going through this box. So gives that cool sound that everybody wants. So yeah, we'll do that. As well as you've got loads of tip options. Well, you've got a good variety. So these are kind of the matte black ceramic paint, which are great. This is a proper paint, so it doesn't kind of age it doesn't age at all really. This is kind of the same paint that's used on manifolds and stuff like that. So obviously the customer's got some carbon gloss black at the moment. They'll be taken off, I'm sure you'll sell those on. So other tip options, you've got carbon fiber tips, you've got polished chrome tips, you've got titanium tips. I think we've got a car next week that's going for the carbon option. The titanium is a really nice option, but yeah, again, comes at a cost. So yeah, the ceramic black are definitely a good option. So yeah, what we'll do is we'll show you around the car. We'll do a couple revs just in the stock kind of form. So a comfort rev and then a traction off rev. And that way we get kind of the sound from the pops and bangs, and you can see the difference from the system and what it does. So yeah, enjoy. Cool, so now the car is up on the ramp. I'll just walk you through kind of the stock system, how it is. So these are the dreaded filters everybody hates, but we have to have them annoyingly. So there's two of them. So now this is the point where the kind of Milltek system comes in. So it's from the OPF back, so it removes this, some more noise. And then it removes this big udder. There's a huge amount of space up above, which is great. So we utilize that and put the back box up there. And the Milltek system comes out, and it's equal length through this section. It kind of equals the length from the OPFs to the back box to remove kind of that like kind of raspy sound, like a hairdresser, like hairdryer or whatever that the S55 engine has. So it comes through, and then it will straight pipe around the outside, and then in center it'll go into the back box, which kind of allows you to switch between the modes. So when you're in comfort, it's nice and quiet, don't annoy your neighbors, but when you want to be loud, it has the potential. So yeah, if you look straight down at the Milltek system, you can see the bore of the pipe work is a lot bigger, and it stays in two pipes all the time instead of going into the silencer, and then it goes through into the back box here and the two valves, and we utilize the two valves on either side. So walk you through kind of the installation of it. The first step would be to remove obviously the connections for the valves, both sides. You can loosen up your mountings, and then you come over here, we'll remove this bracket. While the exhaust system stationary, we'll kind of measure it all up. But on this exhaust system, we'll actually have to take these connections off from the downpipes, drop the whole exhaust system, and then cut these and then put it back in place. Bit of annoying that you have to take it all down, but it is what it is. It's the best way to get the cuts perfect and get the car kind of changed over as soon as we can. Cool, so guys, we've now done some cool stuff. So we have cut off the OPF, so you come underneath the car. We've removed the kind of catback system from the downpipes, remove that, drop the whole exhaust system, cut after the OPF in the correct positions. We've now kind of put the first two pipes in, which is quite a nice process. I'm just kind of changing over all the bracketry, put some extenders on the kind of the valve cables. So some of the kind of little bits and bobs were just cracking through, but as you can see, it's a huge difference, as well as massive weight saving as well between the two systems. So yeah, we'll crack on now. I'm going to put these brackets up in on here. That'll pull those, kind of put these into position, and then I'll work on putting the equal length systems, the back box in, and then start lining up everything, get the tips, get all the clearance. We'll do a couple tests, like rattle tests, make sure there's no areas where it's tapping the heat shields. But you know, being a Milltek system, it is a good system. There's not normally any kind of adjustments that you need to make to any pipe work, which is great. That's why we kind of love to sell them and fit them ourselves. So yeah, let's go, let's crack on. Boom, so the exhaust is now on the car, lined up, everything's up in the air. So you've obviously got all the pipes coming back, some of the equal length kind of turns, and then back out. All the valves are connected. They give you some nice extensions, which is perfect. Tips all aligned, making sure the spacing's perfect. And yeah, should we drop it down? Let's hear the noise. Go from there. We've also done quickly, we've just done a little check. So that's the key thing. Once it's fitted, start the car up, come underneath it, check for any blows between the joints. We've checked all that over and it's spot on. So let's go, let's have some fun.